Young businesswoman shot and succumbed to her injuries in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Below 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A young woman believed to have been in her early 20s was shot dead by a gunman at her business establishment at Royal Plaza in the vicinity of Red Pond on St. John's Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Friday morning. Preliminary reports suggest that this was not a case of a robbery, however, a case of a hit. It is understood that investigators are pursuing leads relative to the killing. More information is likely to forthcome about the incident at a police press briefing to be held in the coming week. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.